Your family, you have how many all totals? There 5, 6?
Oh, there's 9 children.
There's 9 children.
Yeah.
And how's the relationship with everybody?
Awesome. We have a family thread every day. Something to one of us.
You're texting every day?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Thanks, everybody. We're getting ready to go to our Patreon and YouTube members' lunch. Sue decided to have it at the Orange Blossom Country Club this month, and so that's where we're going. In order to get there, we have to drive through what they call the historical section. This part of the historical section is Orange Blossom Gardens. And as you can see, other than being manufactured home, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Very clean, very neat. They have the same problem we do. Yard workers come to work in your yard, they park in the street, they block half the road. But then if you'll notice on some of these homes, they have a garage, like the one straight in front of us there has a garage. He's added that on. Most of them have carports. Now this road here, they put this double yellow line in resurfaced it. I have no idea what purpose that double yellow line is going to serve other than being a pain in the butt. Because that right there, you can't cross a double yellow line legally. I don't understand why they put it there, but their supervisors voted it in, they paid for it, and there it is. There's the country club in front of us. You just go for the big ball, the big water tower. You head there, and you'll be at this country club. As we're going to go in, when we get parked, I got some things I want to show you on the other side that I didn't know was going on, and a little bit of my history on the other side. So I'll see you on the other side after we get done eating.
Que se joda. Just take a video of the pool.
Well, this is the best pool in the villages.
I know.
Always has been. Yeah, it always has been.
Well, that'd be a good thing for you to show on
And they used to be behind the waterfalls until they put a split in there. That was always one waterfall. Right behind her, and I think it's still there if you look real hard. There's a hot tub in there.
It's there, and it's still working.
Now, straight across the road from the country club is the golf course itself. You're looking at it. And when I was over there, they're doing some major reconstruction of this golf course, which has probably been way overdue to do. But as you can see, they've tore the greens out. They've tore some of the fairway out, some of the rough. And all this dirt, sand, and gravel is all going in, and they're going to resod it. And when they get done, this golf course is just going to be absolutely gorgeous. Bravo for what they're doing. Great job. What you're going to see next is from a different angle on another hole. And as you can see, more and more dirt being brought in. They're going to be doing quite a bit of work up here, and they're doing a great job, and I congratulate them on it.
This is the Orange Blossom Country Club golf course. I haven't been up here in a long time. We had our Patreon lunch up here, or our members lunch today.
They're doing some magnificent work up here. It's a lot of money and it's a lot of work, but this is the first country club that was ever built in all of the villages.
And it's always nice to come here for me to look at this area, because I always like this area up here. I still say I think it's got one of the nicest country clubs here, right there, Orange Blossom Country Club. They have by far the best swimming pool here. They have 2 hot tubs up here, and keep in mind, because no matter where you go down south, nowhere, even the priority pools, is there just one hot tub anywhere. What a design flaw I think that is. And we were talking about this house over here is because back when I was 48 years old, this is before Lake Sumter or anything was even built, we thought Spanish Springs was going to be all there was, because they kept talking about the build out. You see that house right there? I don't know if it's coming in on my camera very well, but this house right here, it's not a huge house. I just liked it. It's located right here by the country club. straight across the streets to over here, and then you got the swimming pool right there. And I wanted to buy that house. And I had my village realtor, which was Tim Andrews. He wrote it up. I gave him the check. And 24 hours later, I was told I could not buy that house because I was only 48 years old and I was not old enough. Now, that's back a few days ago, and I often wondered sometimes, what's changed? I'm not old enough at 48 to buy that house, but yet nowadays, 30-year-old people are buying houses. Something's changed, and I'm not a fan of it. And I'm a little bitter about it. I could have bought that house right there for $165,000. Today, who knows? But anyway, I'm just telling you the facts. 165 grand, and I gave him a check. 24 hours later, I was told I was not old enough.
I'm a traveling spirit, I've seen many shores, from the West Pacific to the island.
You guys see that guard shack over there? They build guard shacks up here differently than they do down south. They got more of an architectural construction about them. But when I worked for the villages, that village of Alhambra guard shack there at night, there was a crazy old lady that worked in there. She drove me nuts. She finally called the supervisor on me, and he told me the same thing. She's nuts.
I have learned that no
Community Watch used to stage a lot of their cars at Savannah Center, which is right over here. I thought maybe that's where these guys were going, but apparently not.
But even so, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone.
I don't know if you can see the ponds over there or not, but they're full.
Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own.
Pretty much all the ponds south of 466 looks to be full from the road.
I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all.
I can tell you a story about these ponds when they first opened them up right here. Right here at the entrance right there. There's 2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them. They had to chase out a bunch of druggie and bums because every night they'd go in them ponds to take a bath. That pond there's full. Now, that was on a golf course, so, but with all the rain we've been having in the last 2 weeks anyway, the ponds pretty much are full down here. I can't speak for up north. We went up to Orange Blossom Country Club to have our Patreon lunch. Really didn't see any ponds going up that way. They're there, but we didn't go by any. Prairie back there. This is the village of Collier. This is another village that's fairly close to a lot of golfing and a good 10-minute golf cart ride generally downtown Brownwood. It's a nice area to be in.
Well, there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed our little ride today. I know it wasn't much, might be a little boring for you, but you got to see the country club, a little bit of the historical side, and you got a little bit of my history. So as always, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.